बोले सबसे ज्यादा रीटेक्स ना अपने वीडियो में होने वाले हैं।
वेलकम टू द स्टोर। शिट। सुनो मैं पूरी रात है पता है क्या मेरे पास पूरा अरे रुको वो डिस्कस करने में एक सेकंड हमको दे क्या टिप्स चाहिए चलेगा तुम ऐसे हंस रहे हो ना मुझे लग रहा है तुम कुछ एकदम घटिया ब्लूपर बनाने वाले हो पर ठीक है अरे बहुत पहले बहुत ब्लूपर्स हो गए जाते इतना डालने पड़े सुन ना तू ना यहाँ तक ही रखना कि पैनिक एट द लास्ट मोमेंट उसके बाद कट कर देना बोल बोल अंडर दिया वो पैसा क्या सही है ब्लूपर से डाला देना तो तू देख तो मैं डेलोइट में भी परेशान करके रखता सब हंस रहे मैं अब फेक हंसने दे रही है तो क्या देख सब हंस रहे अब ये वाला डाल देना ठीक है
Hi guys,
We're back with another video for you. So today's video is about Deloitte, one of the big fours, and we'll be covering everything from their salary package to the interview round questions in detail. So stay tuned. So the job profile that was offered was that of an analyst in the consulting domain. The minimum eligibility criteria for applying was 60% and above in SSC, HSC and diploma, 6.5 CGPA and above for engineering, and no life backlogs. The CTC that was offered was 7.6 lakhs per annum.
coming to the aptitude test, it is of 90 minutes. The test consists of 25 quant questions for 35 minutes, 25 verbal questions for 25 minutes, 25 logical questions for 35 minutes. The important topic from quant were time and work, speed distance, LCF, HCF, PNC, logs. From logic, it was blood relation, seating arrangement, pattern recognition, and number series questions. And from verbal, there were antonyms, synonyms, tense, articles, and some grammar-based questions. Now, about the jam round, topics are mainly from current affairs, new technologies, latest trends. Just a day before jam, try to take any random topic and practice in front of a mirror or a camera. And finally, coming to the interview round, it is generally a FIT plus HR round. One is asked on projects and personality discussion.
Hey guys, we have with us Saili and Saloni, who have successfully cracked the Deloitte on-campus recruitment process 2020 back in August.
Welcome to our channel.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Before we get
Yes.
started, I would like to request you to give a quick introduction about yourself.
So, hi guys, I am Saloni Oswal. I am pursuing Bachelor's in Technology from MIT World Peace University.
So hello everyone. I'm Saili Parulekar and I'm currently in final year of BTech Computer Science Engineering from MIT World Peace University.
Okay, moving on. So the questions will be to both of you. Either of you can take it up, and if there are any additional points you'd like to make, please feel free to add them whenever required.
First thing first, how do you guys feel after getting into one of the big fours?
So, honestly, the moment we got to know that we got into Deloitte, it was startling. It definitely feels amazing because the whole process from beginning to the end was suspenseful. And till the last moment, I was in agitation. So now that I'm in a place where I've secured a job in such a huge firm, it is obviously less stressful now. But yes, of course, learning is not stopped, and living up to the fact that I got into such a huge firm is a big deal now.
So it was a really an awesome experience and I was very elated when I heard the news and I got the list of shortlisted. And during that time it was corona and everyone was in a stressful situation. At such a time, getting into Deloitte, which is really a dream job for many students, it was really awesome. And also, considering how the interviews were conducted, it was way better than expected.
Again, congratulations to both of you. So let's move on to the placement process now. I'd like to ask a question on the first round, that is the aptitude round. What was the round like, and if you could provide the details, and what was your preparation strategy like for that round?
Okay, so for aptitude round, we had it on the AMCAT platform, and it was, you can call it the basic elimination test. And we had the logical logical reasoning, then verbal and analytical. And considering the strategy for preparation, as for me, I studied from the R.S. Agrawal, which is the best book, I guess, for aptitude. And daily practice is needed for preparing for this round. It is not a 1 hour session and has to be prepared really good.
So initially, the first shortlisting that happened was on the basis of the grades that we had. So after that, we got to know that there will be an AMCAT test, and it will be within 2 to 3 days. So that is where I started panicking. Thereupon, I directly Googled about how the AMCAT tests for Deloitte previously were. So the test was going to be, as Siley said, verbal, quant, and logical. It had basically reading comprehension, aptitude tests, and behavioral questions. So I prepared for aptitude to a great extent. Also, did I practice for comprehensions? But behavioral questions is I did not prepare as much, because when you think that the questions there will be are depending upon the situations. So I answered them very spontaneously. So this is what was there in the first round for Deloitte.
Now coming to the next round, I believe it was a jam round that was conducted, right? Could you throw some light as to what sort of topics were given and how should one prepare for it? Since it is only 1 minute, that can either make or break your future.
So jam round. So jam is just a minute. So after our AMCAT test and the shortlisting, we got to know that there's a jam round. So basically, we get a topic, and then we get a minute to prepare, and then we have to speak on the topic for a minute. The topic is AI in healthcare. So, and because I had prepared previously for some common topics, I was confident about this one. So jams can be easy. It's just that you have to be confident, and structuring the whole content while you speak is really important. So there has to be proper section for introduction, then the topic material that you're going to speak, and then the conclusion. So and plus you have to do this in a provided time frame. So that is really important. So practicing for jam is a must.
Well, it was the same for me, except for that the preparation strategy was different because I didn't specifically prepare for this round, but I prepared for all the companies. So basically, it is after when you continuously keep on reading the newspapers and you keep on reading certain things, so you get a hang of it, and then whatever the topic is, it may be easy for you. But even if you don't go through all of these things, I think at that moment, whatever comes into your mind, it has to be spoken correctly, as in vocabulary has to be proper, and even the way you pronounce it has to be crisp and clear, so that your the panelists come to know what you're saying and it gets through. So the topics that I had was specifically free Wi-Fi at public places, and the other students had relatively generic topics related to technology. You can go through those articles on Medium or towards data science. That might also help.
Now, coming to the most nerve-wracking part of the process, the final interview. What was it like?
Well, everybody is totally apprehensive when it comes to an interview, and that too one-on-one. So it was really surprising when in the first 5 minutes itself, the interviews, they really made us feel comfortable so that the best comes out of each candidate. So that was really important. And it was followed by a series of questions which were generic. Like first were the HR questions, tell me about yourself, where do you see yourself in 5 years, and then why Deloitte. And then I had some situation based questions related to teamwork and leadership, followed by which I had some technical questions related to Java, OOPS, and also I had to write some complex SQL queries as well. So that was all.
So it was a combination of HR and tech, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So for my experience, the interview was fine. Not what I expected, but overall it was good. So as soon as the interview started, the first thing the interviewer did was introduced himself. And just after that, he fired a question, tell me about yourself. So listening to the interviewer's background, I was very intimidated that the person who was interviewing had such a successful background. But then I went for it and introduced myself in the most minimalistic way possible. I kept the introduction short, but then instead I kept it precise. So I was asked everything that was on my resume, be it the projects or co-curricular activities, and for that matter, even the non-curricular activities. There were also some HR questions as Sally specified. Why Deloitte? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Being prepared for such common questions lessens the stress and panicking at the last moment, I feel. So at the end, there's this one very nice question, or very seemingly small question that they ask, that any questions, anything you'd like to know. So answering that is really important. Dodging this question is not what I recommend.
Is there anything else you would like to add, or any tips or tricks one should keep in mind while applying for Deloitte?
So the first thing I'd like to say is you should know everything that's on your resume, be it any kind of detail that you've put. So everything should be explainable at the time of interview. And also at the end, there's this one seemingly small question that they ask, like any questions, anything you'd like to know. So dodging this question is not what I would recommend. So this question is really important. It gives a basically insight about how your interview was and how curious you are to know about the company. So keeping this in mind is really important.
So as Saloni said, resume should be your top priority, and whatever you're writing on your resume has to be totally true, and you shouldn't try to fabricate anything. Also, you should have your concepts very clear, the basic concepts, as I came to know from the interview. Some concepts such as DBMS, DSA, OOPS, and any language of your choice, and also SQL. I think they consider it as very important. And also, Deloitte focuses on your communication abilities. So prepare for it as well. Keep on reading and prepare your aptitude well.
Okay, so with that, it's a wrap. I'd like to wish you both all the very best for your future endeavors, and thanks a lot for coming and sharing your valuable experience with us.
Thank you for having us, guys.
Thank you for inviting us. Best of luck, guys.
And you guys are doing really great work giving these guidance videos out there. So keep doing the good work.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more contents, and do drop a note if there is any specific company you want us to make a video on.